Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to save a web page as a PDF on Mac. Let's start the video. First, what you have to do, just open your Safari browser. Now open any tab here that you want to save as a PDF. Let's suppose I will take Google. Now what I have to do, you can see on top left side here a file option. Click on file. Now what you have to do, just drag down and you can see here export as PDF. Just click on export as PDF. Or you can see here the directory where I want to save. I want to save this PDF on my desktop and the name of the file is Google. Just click on save and that's it, all set. Now you can see on my desktop I have the PDF of my web page. Just open this PDF. Now you can see my web page is saved as a PDF. So this is the way to save your web page as a PDF on Mac. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.